In your fourth box, you are going to use aluminum foil to make an interesting texture. You need a piece of foil that's about as big as 4 boxes, just like that. And a book or some heavy things you can put on top. Also your watercolor stuff. All right, so I'm going to start by crumpling up the aluminum foil. And I want to keep it flat but crumpled. So don't just roll it up into a ball, because you're going to lay this down on top of your paint. Just trying to make some interesting crinkles in it. You can also fold it into like an accordion and use it like that. There's different ways you can do this. All right, so that looks pretty good. I'd like you to use 2 colors for the painting part. And I'm just going to use some violet that I happen to have in my palette, and some kind of a muddy orange. I'm gonna let those colors run into each other. You want to make sure that your paint's staying wet. You could probably use your big brush here if you wanted to, so it goes faster. All right, so, and you have to work pretty quickly so that the paint doesn't dry. You can see mine's still pretty wet. And then I'll just put a piece of aluminum foil on top of it. And I'm going to stick a book on top. And I will put like 2 or 3 other books on top so that it's got a lot of weight on it. It squishes it down. Let it completely dry overnight. Then you can remove the books and peel off the aluminum foil and see what kind of texture developed.